Brother almost forgot for a second that he wasn't marrying her again. ये but मुझे तो पता शादी इनकी होने वाली. मैं बता रही हूँ लिख के ले. I just want to record this before I forget about recording this and before I have to hear एक और बार मम्मा से कि ऐसे कोई सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेगा. Let me come here and ask you guys to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am telling you I am worth a subscription. I think you should subscribe. You will not regret it. थोड़े दिनों में regret करोगे but better हो जाएगा with time. With that, let's have the title card. Welcome to Diva के कारनामे. Woo! First video out now. Let's go. I am back, but it is currently 5:54 p.m. 1 second. Laneige. Now I'm ready. It is currently 5:55. Good time to be alive. What exactly happened was that I spent a lot of time editing. I already have learned a few lessons along the way, and I also realized how awkward I was on camera. So today I decided to give myself a little bit of a reward for surviving day one. It's also the summer I turned pretty का नया episode वाला दिन, and this episode was directed by Jenny Han herself and it is narrated by Conrad. So I have decided to do a full-fledged projector screening right here in my room, only for myself, but the entire room ka vibe is definitely not helping. I'm going to do my laundry, make my bed, fix my Lego, and read a book. This is the book that I've been wanting to read for a while, and it's been lying on my shelf for over a month now. This is the book that I'll be reading today. This book I had picked up from Granth Juhu. I'd actually gone in with the intention of filming there, but I was asked to stop recording, and then out of shame and guilt, I had to pick up a book and I left after that. I flew out of Granth, even though I've been there a couple of times. I think I just got too nervous. I ended up buying a book. But it's okay, I like Emily Henry, and yeah, I'm excited to read what she's written. Open Badam. Yeah, I'll get to that part when we get there, but let's go do my laundry. Bed's made. Woo! Okay, we are under my bed now. I have decided to keep all those piles of clothes that I have on the side of my bed inside the storage unit for now because it's really bothering me and I just want to chill tonight and I will look at the mess tomorrow. This is extremely toxic, denial, whatever behavior, but I think I deserve it today because I got through day one. Gotta celebrate my own wins, so I deserve this. These clothes are not the ones that I usually wear. They are my Indian wear stuff. I need to send them back home for alteration. That reminds me, I have to courier all of this now. As always, I have a lot to do. It's okay, I will figure it out. This I will figure it out mentality has gotten me so far in life. Bro. Okay, we'll have to make space for the time being. I just hope bed band ho jaye. I can't risk the TV getting killed. So band ho gaya. Let's go. Successful behavior. That reminds me, I really need to find a fix for my cupboard first because the clothes have been overflowing out of it and I just need some new storage. I will figure that within the coming week. I am not delaying this, okay? I'm planning it out. I'm not delaying anything. Yep, I'm in denial. It's okay, we're chilling today. The next thing on my list is building my Lego. Bichari Lego is in this condition right now. The instruction manual is right here, and I think I'll be able to fix it quickly because I don't think that much damage was done to it. As long as I don't have any missing parts while the situation happening here, I'm good to go. Look at this spread. Oh my god. I'm going to fix this. This portion was also broken, but I've already fixed it because it was a really quick fix. I went on a 5-minute break and accidentally scrolled for an hour straight. Yeah, moving on. I think we're almost done. Like, there was nothing much to do. I just need to apply these leaves, and that will be sorted once I know where I need to put this. I have a confession to make. This is not the same. Think I've made it ulta. Those leaves were supposed to be here, and this should have been that side ideally. It's okay, it's a newer version of my Lego set, so I don't mind it. Also, I'm too lazy to make this again. I don't mind it at all. I think it's amazing. I think it's very cute. It's still very cute. As long as it's existing. Wow. Mama has sent me badam in courier. It could have been Amazon, it could have been Zepto, it could have been Blinkited, but she had to send me a specific brand of badam. I don't know what's so special about these badam, but let's find out. Oh, the badam is leaking. The best badam in the entirety of India that couldn't have been gotten in Mumbai. Super badam. I am kind of little bit sort of confused. The Summer I Turned Pretty is more of a dessert show. I don't want to have it with parathe. That too paneer ke parathe. So I think because I'm very hungry, I will do that first and then order myself some dessert and then watch my screening. Projector का placement is such that जब उसका projection होता है वो थोड़ा टेढ़ा होता है. I'm okay with it. I'm just telling you guys कि मतलब expectation ज़्यादा मत रख लेना. I thought I would read the book. I would read this book. But I think because I'm wearing lenses, I don't feel like reading. Yeah, it is the lenses ka problem, not my problem. So I just ended up watching more YouTube instead. Wow! That is a sign for YouTube to promote me as a creator also. I think you should do that. The dessert is here. Mama keeps ordering me pav chocolat from Suchali's and I think it's the best thing ever. I think she's just glad that I'm giving her content to watch every day from now on. That is her own daughter. Gladly accepted. Me with food today is just like Ori with all Bollywood celebrities. Since dessert is here, it is now time to... The vibes are all set. This is a 68-minute episode. I am so excited. Excited. I can't be watching this in this outfit. I need something comfy. Should I just start watching? Guys, the mahal is set. I'm in my glasses and my night suit. लाइटें बहुत मस्त चल रही है. प्रोजेक्टर पे ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ है. Oh my god, let's watch. Okay, I'll have to shut this so that I can view everything properly. Oh my god. Some appreciation for भूतिया stuff. भाई मैं शो देखने के अलावा मैंने सब कर लिया भाई. बस हो गया. ओके बाय.
What have I done?
Woo, woo, woo. go. They're having such awkward 1 second. Jeremiah needs to shut up. 1 second, sir. They're having such awkward conversations, and I really can't get over Belly calling Conrad her future brother in law. It is just messed up. There is nothing else to add to that. It is just messed up. Conrad is still in love. He doesn't have a job, but he's still there. I feel bad. Bechara. Oh my god, we're doing flashbacks. Oh my god, ZNMD is happening. रोशनी मिली. Oh my god, okay. Bechara, this dude, yaar. He keeps forgetting he's not marrying
For as
her.
long as I've known her, I've struggled with looking weak in front of Ellie.
He just.
Oh my god. Okay, no, I'm trying to.
Okay, whatever.
Yes.
Brother almost forgot for a second that he wasn't marrying her. Again. क्या होगा इसका? क्या होगा? ना ही बेली को अक्ल आ रही है, ना ही कॉनरेड को छोड़ना है. जेर अपना ही लगा पड़ा, उसको किसी की पड़ी नहीं है, उसको ना ही बेली की पड़ी है, वो जाके चीट कर लेता है. मुझे बताओ इस सिचुएशन में क्या कर सकते हैं? व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट पॉसिबल सिनेरियो? Belly or Conrad, yeah. Jer was always a side character. I don't think she'll end up marrying him, by the way. Entire fandom has spoken, and they also don't think they're going to get married. They shouldn't be drinking together. No. Jer is on his way. क्यों आ गया तू भाई? अच्छा चल रहा था यार. Jeremiah and Belly के सारे scenes together have been the most irritating so far. Like there is no chemistry. Please, just get it over with.
I would rather have someone shoot me in the head with a nail gun repeatedly than have to watch him touching her. And I hate myself.
He's too real for it, bro.
No idea.
So same. I can't watch their scenes together. Just take them out. Secondly, I think this was my favorite scene so far.
Happy when he offered because it felt like he was actually trying.
Every time he's gaslighting, he makes this face. Every single time. Okay. My thoughts. I'm still sad for Connie baby bro. He is trying to protect their relationship even though Belly in her heart knows that she still wants to be with Conrad and that Jeremiah is not that mature. Belly कहीं ना कहीं कॉनराड के साथ होकर मैच्योर हो जाएगी बट जेरेमाया नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं बता रही हूँ, लिख के ले लो. अभी किसी ने मेरा एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन तो मांगा नहीं है बट मुझे तो पता शादी इनकी होने वाली कॉनराड और बेली की. या तो ये लोग बेली को अकेला छोड़ देंगे या तो इन दोनों की शादी हो जाएगी. अगर जेरेमाया के साथ शादी हो गई ना, सब टूट जाएंगे अंदर से. मैं बता रही हूँ, लिख के ले लो. कितनी चीज़ें लिख के ले लोगे यार? ऐसे बोल रही जैसे पता नहीं मैं नहीं लिखी है बुक. आई थिंक दिस वॉज अ ग्रेट नाइट. आई एम वेरी स्लीपी दो. मैंने इतनी चीज़ें पूरे दिन में नहीं करी होंगी जितनी मैंने ये समर आई टर्न प्रिटी की ये एपिसोड देखने में फिल्म कर ली है. Which is great for me. I will see you guys tomorrow. See you. If you reached the bit where I was doing the entire commentary about the Summer I Turned Pretty Ka episode 5, meet me in the comments. I expect at least 2 people that I know are watching the Summer I Turned Pretty. If I send them this episode, they should meet me in the comments. Okay, bye. See you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Diva Ke Karname. A brand new Hello. Hi. I'm just going to do an ASMR for you. It's working.